You don't know what to do with all that leftover turkey? Kentucky Hot Brown. It was invented in the 20s by a guy by the name of Fred Smith at the Brown Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. Now, legend has it that the entertainers, at the hotel would do their shows till 2, 3, who knows what time in the morning, and they needed to create something unique to soak up all that bourbon. Let's get the grill going. First thing we've got, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now this only takes a couple, 3 minutes. Just want to get that raw flour taste off of it. I know a lot of you are saying he's making a roux. It's certainly the beginning of a roux. The difference here is you don't want to get it dark like you generally do with the roux. Now I've got 1.5 cups of heavy cream that I'm going to stir in. And some recipes will call for milk. Look, use cream, heavy cream. Now you can see I'm constantly whisking. I'm trying to minimize the lumps, clumps. See, we got this nice light color. 2 minutes maybe after I added all the cream. I've got 1 cup of white cheddar cheese. Going to have some cheesy goodness. Get this heat turned down now. Turn it almost off. What I've got here, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Gives it that little bit of red color you can see. Okay, now I'm going to turn this heat off. We're going to hit it up with a little cracked black pepper. Do it to taste. I love black pepper. Probably 1/4 teaspoon, maybe 1/2, who knows. Probably closer to 1/4. And a little Himalayan sea salt. That's what I'm talking about right there. I've got the heat turned all the way off. Look at that. Perfect cheesy goodness. Let's give her a taste. Oh, so yummy. Let's get the open-faced turkey Kentucky Hot Brown going. Cast iron skillet, toasted piece of bread. I got some leftover turkey breast here. Yeah, you can cook a turkey breast for it. I always like to make this after Thanksgiving or after Christmas if we've made a turkey. Put a little bit of this turkey breast on here. Put as much as you want. Now what I've got, 2 tomatoes on that turkey. Going to hit that up with a little Himalayan sea salt. And now we're going to spoon some of that cheesy goodness over this guy. Oh, yeah. And again, if you want this to be very nutritious, extra cheese. Now this sauce we made, you can make 2 sandwiches out of it. No issue. Now, what I'm going to do is come in. This is optional. Just a little cayenne on top. What I've got here is some yellow shredded cheese. I have to take 2 Lipitor's, I guess. Right, there we go. Time for the bacon. But what I want to do before I put that bacon on there, I got 1 more tomato. I'm going to put that bacon just like so. And then what I want to do is just come in with a little bit more of that shredded cheese. Let's get it over to the grill. See, we're running right at 500 degrees. You want this between 450 and 500. Might have been in there 5 minutes, maybe 6. Look at that. Little parsley gives it some color, right? And then just a little bit more color, just for plating purposes. There she is. Kentucky style open face roast beef, right? Kentucky hot brown. The moment we've been waiting for. Going to get us off a little bacon there. A little mater. Little cheese. And a little turkey. That might be just a little bit too big a bite. Well, what the heck? This is just a bunch of cheesy goodness right here. Let's do it. Rich. Oh my gosh. Cheesy. Turkey is so juicy. Even after, I cooked the turkey for Thanksgiving, froze it, unthawed it. It was Cajun injected, by the way. Really delicious. Had bacon at the end and just a little of that cayenne. If you've not tried Kentucky hot brown, I tell you, you don't know what you're missing.